What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video on our 2013 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road four-wheel drive truck. This truck is a powerhouse. We absolutely love it. Today, we got a little accent we wanted to add to it to kind of give it a little personal touch. We ordered a light bar from Lasfit.com. It's a 32-inch model. Come with everything we need to put it in, but you know what? We want to make this a stealth model. So what we're going to do, we're going to try to put it behind the bumper, make it look really good, really flashy, brighten up the night. So I tell you what, let's open it up. Let's see what we got. Check the box out, see what they sent us. So let's hop to it and let's get it done. What we got here first, let's check it out. Probably going to be our wiring harness with our switch. So we got a relay, got our plugs for our bar and our switch, and then here's going to be our on-off switch. So that's pretty good. All of this stuff looks pretty good, pretty standard. That's what we got. That's what we'll do. We'll get this sucker put in. We'll put him back in here so we don't lose none of it. See what we got in the big box. Well, the packaging looks really nice. So let's check him out here and see what we got in here. So here is the bar. It's got a single row. Looks really good. Should be super bright. Let's see what else we got. So there's some bracket hardware, some mounting hardware. We didn't order the Tacoma bracket, so this should be fun. We may have to customize it just a little bit, but there's side mount hardware. See, this is bottom mount hardware, and this is side mount hardware. So I tell you what, let's get the truck in the shop. Let's hop to it. Let's see if we can find us a spot on this bumper, do a little measuring, see what we've got. So we're going to get in the shop. We're going to check it out. Maybe pop the grill off. That'll probably be the best. We'll pop the grill off, see where we're at, make a few test fits, wire the sucker up, see what it looks like. We're going to stop talking. We're going to start working. First thing we're going to do is take the grill off. If you hadn't took one of these off before, they're pretty easy to get off. Got a couple of clips right here on the headlight. There's one clip. Got another clip over here on the other headlight. Clip number 2. And it's got a couple of 10mm bolts. There. And there. So that's pretty much all the bolts in the grill. So then what you do is you just ease it out. It just clips into the bumper. So there's a couple of clips down there. You can reach your hand in if you need to start getting one of them loose, but once you get one of them loose, they will just pop right out. And right down in here is where we want our bar to come right out through that hole. So we don't have the bracket, so we're going to make something up here, get it going. So take me a minute, figure out what I'm going to do. We'll get it done. So I got it figured out what we were going to do. We decided to use the side brackets. So they're right here. So we used the side brackets, and then we made us a little bracket to bolt right on to the rebar extension. So on both sides. So we used the side bracket, and it comes down, and we made just a little bracket to bolt onto the rebar bracket. Not a big deal. Easy, easy, easy. Just took a few minutes. I really do like the way that these side brackets work. So you just put a little nut up in the channel here. It's right up in there, and then you can just tighten the little bolt up with the Allen wrench. That's really cool. That is really good. It even comes with the Allen wrench that we can use to tighten it up when we're done. But I think for the test fit, it looks pretty doggone good up in there. So just really, really, really good. It's gonna brighten up the night. So I like it. I think we will snug everything up, start running our wires. Now that is a really easy job. It only takes just a few minutes to put that sucker behind there. I'm sure they make some brackets that you could buy to just put it in there, but this is really easy. If you got any kind of metal laying around your shop, you can make yourself a bracket in just a few minutes. Those side mount brackets were really nice. Most of the light bars that we use, you only have these end brackets, so it kind of limits you in what you can do, and you about have to order the custom brackets. So this is our wiring harness. It's got everything that we need. So let's open it up here. So this harness is pretty standard. You got your relay here. This is going to go to our battery, and we got a fuse in there. So this will go to battery. This will go to ground. So red to battery, black to ground. So we'll hook that right up. And this actually has 2 accessory cables. So we're only going to use one. It's weatherproof. So it's got the little gasket there. That's pretty good. And then the other thing is our switch. So we got our switch that we're going to mount inside the truck. And for ease of installation, the switch comes unplugged. So we can unplug it so we can run it through the firewall. So we'll get this wiring ran just really quick, really quick. It'll only take just a few short minutes. Get everything hooked up and tied up and looking like something. We'll fire up this light bar. We'll see what it looks like. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So let's hop to it. That was a super easy job. That light bar is wonderful. It turned out absolutely amazing. Just really simple to install, especially on one of these. Take just a few minutes. Can't wait to see how it looks at night. If you are interested in these things, we will put the link down below. It's Lasfit.com, 32-inch light bar. It's really, really nice. It's really bright. Can't wait to check it out at night. Maybe we'll check it out here in a minute. I hope that we can. On the credits, maybe we'll roll it up in the nighttime and see how everything's going. But I do think that's going to be a wrap for the install video, guys. But if you like this video and you like this content, drop us a like. Leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at Real Orange Wires. We always post there before YouTube. Until next time, we're out.